where there would be some clouds. Okay, so here we have a cloud. Okay, now, come on now, activity board. Now, bring the cloud towards the mountain. So on a distant mountain, a cloud came by. So we have the cloud that came by. So a cloud came by, and then when the cloud comes, what happens? There would be some R, A, I, N. So there would be some rain. Okay, so now there would be some rain. So there was rain. So long ago, in a distant mountain, a cloud came by and there was rain. Because the air is colder. So what happens? Why do you think it rains so much in the mountains? Because I, air is C. What's that? O, L, and then T. Cold. Okay, now, what do you think should come through these mountains? So you have two options, stream or a river or a road. What do you think should be between the mountains? Come, hold it, you decide. R. Keep going. O, okay. A and T, road. So now you and I are going to make the road. So hold that. Let's make the road. Hold that. So road comes winding its way down the mountain. So winding road. Okay. So what kind of road am I talking about? I'm talking about a W
R
N
T
D
I
I
N
G. Yes, a winding road comes out through the mountain. Now, so when the winding, so let's learn a new word. When the winding becomes very, very like knots, because if you see sometimes confused knots, the word, let's learn a new English word. Tortuous. Tortuous. That's a new word. It's always good to use fancy words. So when roads become very, very confusing, which is a new word? What's that?
T
O
O
R.
O
What's that?
T U
O
U
and
N.
yes, when you see, very complex. Okay, now on that road, so imagine this is from long ago. Okay, so on that road walked a man. Okay, now make the man walk. So on that road, come hold it. So this is a man. So on that road walked the man. There. He was going, so where do you think the man was going? So on that road walked the man. Where do you think the man was going? See, this will give you imagination also. Come on, hold it. He was going to the H. What's that? H. What's that? O. Okay.
U
S and
E.
he was going home to his house. So we have his house over here. So we have his house. So he was going to his house. See? So this is how we make the activity board. Okay. So now, so far we have, so as I say, you point at this. Okay. So far away in a distant mountain, there was came a cloud and there rained. And then a road comes, and then was that a man who was going to his house? Yes,
House.
yes, there you are. See, so what